Hello and welcome to the Swedish adventure.
This week it snowed good and proper, so we're outside in the Swedish winter. And we're going to do a bit of outside cooking, we're going to explore the forest a little bit around here.
And we're going to play on the snow racer.
And we're going to visit a frozen lake. So stick around, hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. It's not easy, is it, this, Charlie? Cheese. Is it good?
Yeah.
Look at all this snow. Charlie, can you believe that in the summer, that was a lake? That was where you went swimming in the summer.
Yeah.
How crazy is that? Now you can walk on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Don't help?
Yeah.
I'll save you.
Don't you think it's a bit crazy that like in the summer everybody goes here to have a swim in the lake and whatever, and now in the winter people come here and they take their skis to go on the lake, like not ice skating, skis.
Yeah.
To just go skiing on the lake.
So crazy.
Yeah.
It's like cross-country skiing,
Yeah.
isn't it? Absolutely nuts. I think one of the craziest things about being out like in a place like this is how quiet it is. Like it's absolutely silent.
Definitely.
Like the snow and the cold weather and the ice and stuff just deadens all the time.
Yeah.
It's almost a bit creepy.
Yeah. Yeah, it is actually.
I mean, it would be if we didn't have our own little noise machine, I suppose.
Oh, you put on pan? Oh, där.
I love how this is just like a completely casual thing in Sweden. That's just like a little group of Swedes taking the dog and the kid for a walk on the lake. Yeah, so it's starting to get a little bit dark now, so I think I'm going to fire up the grill.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Charlie? You're setting up the grill so we can do some cooking? Heavy work, mate, isn't it?
Oh, nee. Oh, nee. Oh, nee.
Alright, let's have a look at this, shall we?
So what you got?
It's a Finnish grilling plate, or a cooking plate. It's called maracas or something like that. That's the one. It's basically a cast iron cooking plate. We've talked about getting one before, they're really, really cool. But I got one in a Christmas gift, so we're testing it out for the first time today. So we'll see how it goes, but everything always tastes a little bit better when you cook it over fire.
And in the snow.
And in the snow, and everything always tastes a little bit better when you cook it on cast iron as well, so I've got high hopes actually. That one on top, I think. Take that bit and put it on top there for me. Exactly, carefully place it on there, just like I said.
Yeah.
Should we put it there, look, I think.
Yeah.
Try it like this, look. Do
Mia.
this a few times.
Mia.
Vänta nu Charlie, vänta nu Charlie.
Ska vi se, där. That's good. Let's see what this is like.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's going to be good. Like I said, first time I've used one of these, so I think it's going to be a bit hard to get the temperature right. But yeah, I think it'll be really good. I love cooking over fire. There's just something about it.
Do you want to try some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
First time ever. Wow. Do you want it in your good cup?
Yeah. Wow.
Den blåa. Was it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you like it?
Yeah.
Good.
First ever hot chocolate experience.
Yeah.
What better way to try it than in the snow?
This is how to do it.
Definitely.
This is when it tastes the best.
This is another thing about doing stuff outdoors in Sweden. You really have to think about the time. It's not even 4 o'clock yet and it's absolutely pitch black, like it's completely dark. Luckily we've got a decent lens on the camera so you can still see stuff, but it's yeah, it's like night time. It's not even 4 o'clock. Tell you what, not bad at all. Are you ready to go? Woohoo! Look at that little elf. Are you happy? Are you happy?
She's happy facing the right way now. She don't just see my chest anymore. She can look at where we're going.
Yeah, so what you're saying is you have both the kids and I'll have the camera.
Yeah, like the strong one has to carry the family, don't they?
Yeah, we were saying yesterday, it's something you sometimes don't really think about, how fast it gets dark.
Yeah.
It's nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, it goes in from starting to get dark to pitch black in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, we said about 15 minutes yesterday. It was like when we started cooking to when we were eating,
Yeah.
It was pitch black.
Yeah.
But I suppose that's the Swedish winter for you.
It is, that's how it is.
Yeah.
You got a little helper.
Yeah, the best one. Woohoo!
Wow!
Wow.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's sad to think there's so many kids all over the world that don't know the joys of a snow racer. It's like most countries in the world have no use for a snow racer.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah.
Is it good, Charlie?
Yeah.
You go super fast.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It just feels so nice when the snow comes because all of a sudden you don't have to like come up with something to do. You can just go outside and all the entertainment is just there. Like you can go sledging, you can just go for a walk and he sits on the snow racer instead of the pusher and all of a sudden a walk is the best thing ever.
Yeah,
Like you can make snowballs and
it's unlimited entertainment, isn't it?
yeah. Well, here you can't always do snowballs because when it's too cold, obviously you can't do it.
Yeah, that was a new experience for me as well. That when it was too cold to make snowballs, like the
Yeah.
snow was just like too powdery.
Yeah.
You don't really get that in England, funnily enough. Shall we eat some corv
Yeah.
and go super fast on the snow racer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Am I too slow?
Yeah.
He sits on the brakes and then he moans about me pulling him too slow.
Yeah, I think this looks like the perfect spot to grill some sausages.
'Cause I love you, baby. No.
Is it nice, mate?
Yeah.
Yes, it's been a really nice couple of days.
Yeah, it's lovely being able to be outside in the snow for a bit before it disappears again.
Exactly, just hanging out and adventuring in the Swedish winter.
Yeah,
Really
it's
good.
lovely.
But that's about it from us for today anyway, so thank you very much once again for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.